a little different of a video for you guys to actually have a POV. But we're actually going to be driving out to Lucio's house real quick. We did just get a Cobra R hood for the car. I'm not sure exactly what the guy meant, but it says a Cobra R hood. Does not look like it whatsoever. But it's a cow hood. It's a 3-inch cow hood for the car. We're actually going to go to Lucio's house right now, go install it. So just giving you guys a little POV, seeing how this works out, see if the mic is even good for this GoPro. The only reason why I never do any videos of the POV is because the sound is so shitty sometimes that I really don't want to put that in the video for you guys. A little update on the 5.0. It's still at the shop right now. We're actually retuning it with a better file and all that good stuff. So hopefully we'll make a little bit more power out of the car. But as far as the 2-step, we're still working out the kinks with it. Waiting for N2MB to get back to us. But the car should be ready by Monday, which is 2 days from now. This is Saturday. We actually have a meet going on tonight. Yeah, we're actually going to meet up with Alex too as well. And I think a few of the other crew. So we'll definitely see what happens. I'll catch you guys in a bit as soon as I get to Lucio's house. Hey guys, Alex SVT here, bro. Why'd you throw up? Alright guys, so we're actually waiting on Alex real quick, so we're gonna get our Starbucks real quick, because you know we gotta do it for the vlog. So we're waiting on Alex. He says he's 7 minutes away, but we're stuck here in drive-thru. It's been like 20 minutes since we've been in here, but yeah, we're gonna link up with him real quick. What are you saying?
Jamba Juice for him.
Jamba Juice? Oh yeah.
That was racist. He don't like Starbucks.
Yeah, dude. Fucking Alex only likes Jamba Juice, bro. Freaking weird in this freaking 30-degree weather. But yeah, guys, catch you guys in a bit. We're gonna link up with Alex right now and the rest of the crew. So yeah, catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we already met up with Alex. He's behind us. We have a Scat Pack. We have Boba Drew in his little Lexus hybrid. And then we have the little Acura RSX and the BMW from Triangle Burger. So we're actually gonna roll up right across the street from Hobby Lobby. We're gonna have to make a U-turn here at this red light. But from the looks of it, there's a lot of cars already showing up, so it should be pretty good. Catch you guys as soon as we get there.
Instant torque. Alright guys, look at Alex struggle to park. Look at Alex. Can never reverse. Look at him.
Oh my god, Alex.
I know, just look at him, look at him.
You've done this how many times? You still can't park in the first try?
It's getting a little better. A little better.
Hell no. Are you Alex SVT?
No. He's not. Oh my god, it's a pleasure. Oh my. Oh my.
This guy's gay.
Danny, where you at? Danny. Where's the Cobra at? Where are you at?
Where's your Cobra at?
That's a red 5.0. He's copying you.
Don't kill my club.
Oh, that's why he wanted to do it.
Right there. Fucking smart.
Migrate that way?
That was a solid, like, what, 5-10 minutes of...
like fucking straight gunshots, bro.
Bro, that
shit was
bro.
ricocheting, dude.
Bro, the only reason you start that Jeep, bro, I recorded that for like 10 seconds. I thought my right ear was
that a
done.
2JZ Jeep or what?
I'm in fucking Bangladesh right now. This is some bullshit. Weird ass nigga, you talking about shit being gay, right? Taking in the ass on Thursday afternoon.
Bro, what the fuck is that? Dude.
I think it's supposed to be a fundraiser event, and y'all just came out here and said, you know what, fuck it.
We want to have
Like one person did it, and then somebody was like,
That's it.
fuck it.
20 seconds. Oh, is that an R32? Holy fucking shit, G. Wow. 2JZ, no shit.
Yeah.
Wait, let me record this. Wait.
god! That's crazy. Alex,
He's got a system too. Dude, I don't think he's gonna run anybody over. Yes. I think he's missing a. Boom! He goes on the truck.
I'm not tasting colder, dude.
Diesel is
Alex SVT for the first time at the car meet. He's signed my tits.
I'm fine.
I'm trying to figure out where her bike went though.
crashed?
Bless you.
That's the one that crashed.
I'm trying to figure out where her bike is at.
Ask her.
Fuck, they didn't hit me with the other bike.
Ask her in Spanish. Like, don't stop.
Show it the cops. No, there's a cop right there. You gotta watch out.
You know, bro.
Get off, my turn. Again.
We have reports of shots fired. Live on ABC 7 News. We have Alex SVT causing all the shots fired.
Hey,
Then we got Drew. Who's this?
We got the HH rep, so now everyone, you know, just like
Yeah.
Lucio, Danny, Abdullah, and it was a pretty dope ass meet.
Was crazy.
Danny should have brought his 5-point slow, but he didn't. He didn't want to twin with me, but he brought the 2V.
Why didn't you bring your Cobra?
yeah.
He's under the knife right now, okay? Getting some stuff done.
Under process.
Every time.
We're gonna end the vlog right there. Danny needs to get his 5.0 going, and I need to get my Cobra going. But as you can see here, we got the 2000 GT, and you know, I didn't even know it was automatic. quick, so I'm gonna head out. But it's okay. I'll accept the fact it's a 2-valve. But with that being said, you know, Danny's gonna end the video right there. If you guys enjoyed, please consider like and subscribing, and get me to 2,000 subscribers, because I want 2,000 subscribers. And yeah, I'm head out.
To just walk away.